Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a high quality transmission company which has corrected close to 20% over the last few weeks, and where the promoter entities STEL Holdings Limited and Instant Holdings Limited have bought 3,39,631 shares between September 5 and 6. Now friends, this stock has been a consistent wealth creator over the years past, and this correction seems to indicate that this is a stock where the downside is limited but where there could be a significant upside. Now the company in question is KC International Limited, which is available at Rs 245.15 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is KEC. Now KC International Limited is engaged in the construction of utility projects. Its geographical segments include India and outside India. Its power transmission and distribution business includes providing end-to-end solutions in power transmission and distribution. Now, as is evident from the 1 year chart, this company was on a downtrend since about 2-3 months into the year, then tried forming something which is called an inverted head and shoulders pattern. However, it could not sustain above the neckline. Not being able to sustain above the neckline precipitated a deep correction. However, after the correction, the stock seems to have formed a bottom around the 235 levels, which should provide strong support. The market cap of the company is 6,302.52 crores, which means that this company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 19.35 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 12.67, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 13.83. The price to book ratio of 2.59 is also very cheap. The company has a dividend yield of 1.10%, whereas the promoter holding is a decent number at 51.35%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part, and please also be informed that we have bought this stock today, and hence this is a disclosure on our part. Also a shout out to Rahul from our group, who was the person who provided us the information on this insider buy. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.